Hi everybody, Anita here. Today I have a radial gradient to share with you. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do when you're doing any gradient is to protect the skin around your nails. So I'm going to be using two types of skin protectors. And the first one I'm starting out with is one that I received recently from Beauty Big Bang. I ordered a whole bunch of things for Cyber Monday, and this was in the order, the things that I got. And these are non-latex barriers, and that's important for those of you who are allergic to latex or have latex sensitivities. I decided to use these because I'd never worked with them before, and because I want to show you some different options for protecting the skin around your nails. This I found because it was my first time also. It was just a tiny bit clumsy for me. I had a little difficult time getting the placement of it around my nail. Now they do come in different sizes for the area around your nail. Some are larger for the fingers with larger nails, and some are smaller. It does come up easily. It doesn't leave any residue, so that's all good. And once you get them on, they're on. They stay in place. They don't slip or slide, and they don't stick to each other. If you touch the fingers together, that's a really good thing too. So once you have that on and you have your skin protected, it's time to start with the gradient. Now for this, I'm using two shades of blue, a lighter blue and a darker blue. I have tons and tons of blue polish, so I figured I have to start using them sometime. And winter manis are really great with the cool color like blue. So once you get the polish on your sponge, you're going to cut that sponge to fit the size of your nail, the majority of your nails. And you're going to start with your lighter color in the middle, and then you're going to encircle that with the darker polish, and that's your radial, and that's the gradient that we're building. Now what you're going to do is several applications of this. You're going to dab it on, and you're going to dab it on. You'll see the color go onto the nail, and when you don't see the color transferring anymore, that's when it's time to reload your sponge. And you're going to reload several times. Don't be shy. You're going to use a lot of polish for this, and you're going to make several passes over each nail. I'm not showing you the full duration of how long it took me to build the gradient that you see at the end, but it was a while. So be patient with it and take your time and reload your sponge often. And remember that if you're not putting polish on the nail, then if you continue to dab without having polish reloaded, you're taking that same polish back off. So you're like counterproductive. You want to keep the polish on. So reload as often as you think is necessary. Even if you don't think it's necessary, reload it if you don't see the polish continually being transferred to the nail. These are fun gradients to do, and these are really cool because you can do like a lot of vignette type things with these. So now I'm going to go to my thumb, and you saw the My Bliss Kiss there, and that is a latex barrier, and that's Simply Peel. And you paint this one on sort of like a polish, and you just want to get it all around your finger there, the areas where the polish would go when you do your gradient. And this is, like I said, definitely a latex. You don't want to use this if you have the allergy or sensitivity to latex. Once this dries completely, it's clear and it has little sparkles in it, so it's really pretty. And then you can continue on with your gradient. I'm a little impatient, so you'll see that mine is not clear, but it is dry to the touch. So I wanted to get on with it. And so I started dabbing my gradient on there. And if you want to wait till yours is perfectly clear, then you by all means do that. But as I said, I wanted to get on with it. So it is dry to the touch though. You'll see it be completely clear when I pull it off at the end. So when it comes to removing your barriers, these come off easily. 1, 2, 3. Really great. No residue or anything. And I'm just being a little clumsy or awkward there because the tweezers that I'm using there are super sharp, and I'm just trying not to stab myself. But again, these come off nice and easy. Once you get them loosened at the bottom, you could just take your finger and pull them off. I don't know why I'm being so fancy, but I guess it's new, and I wanted to use my new tools and not stab myself on camera. And I managed not to do that, so I'm very happy with that. This does come off really nicely though. And there is, as you can see, no polish at all around the nail. So it does an excellent job protecting the barrier. Now with the Simply Peel, you do what it says. You take it and you just peel it off. Comes right off, and it too does a great job at protecting your skin. No polish under that. So I did my cleanup, and that was off camera. To finish this mani, you're just going to apply a glossy top coat. Mine is fast drying. I use Seche Vite. I love it. Gives such a great shiny finish. And don't forget your free edge. Be sure to put a little polish on that too, so you can keep your mani for as long as possible. Now you can wear your mani like this, or you can do what I did and do some stamping. Yeah, I don't know if I did stamping on this one. Maybe I shouldn't have told you. It's going to be a surprise. I have a second part to this coming up, and that's going to be uploaded shortly. I'm going to show you what I did with this mani, because this is a great background mani, like I said, for a lot of projects or nail arts that you can do. Those of you that follow me on Instagram, you've seen this, so you know what I do. Shh, don't tell. Don't tell. Let it be a surprise. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button. It's free. You can hit the bell icon and you'll know when I upload that video. And leave me a comment and a thumbs up. Thanks guys. I'll see you next time.